Hi everyone, Jen Broyles here, and coming to you today to share an incredible essential oil blend that I just made, and I think you're gonna love it. So I just want to ask you first, have you ever taken a moment to tune into your thoughts and find that you are reflecting on a past experience, a past encounter that is bringing up a lot of negative feelings of frustration, perhaps guilt, shame, anxiety, whatever it might be? Or maybe you found yourself anticipating a future event that's bringing up a lot of stress and anxiety and worry as well. I think that happens, or I know that happens to a lot of us. So often we are focused on the past or the predictable future, which is usually fueled by negative, stressful thoughts and feelings and worries. And it drives negative emotions that can have a detrimental effect on your body. So when we tune into the present moment, it helps us really release those past thoughts and those future anticipations and really focus on the here and now. But that's not always so easy to do, right? And so I love this book called I Am Fabulous, and it is a book of essential oil blends for emotional well-being. And so there's some great blends in here based on your situation and what you're wanting to accomplish. But the one I came across recently is the Here and Now blend. And I just felt that that was perfect for me, just where I'm at, because I'm really trying to live and experience life more in the present moment. And if I can have essential oils that are going to help do that, why not, right? And I just made this blend, and I love the way it smells. And I plan to wear it quite regularly now. But I want to walk you through the oils and why they are part of this blend. And so, again, this blend is for you if you struggle living in the present moment and, you find yourself hyper-focused on anticipating future scenarios or reflecting on past negative experiences rather than actually being here now, right? Being here in the present moment. And so this blend will really help you focus on the task at hand, feel more gratitude in your life, and ultimately, have a better outlook and better perspective. So the oils in this blend are arbor vitae, patchouli, clary sage, geranium, coriander, eucalyptus, rosemary, Siberian fir, vetiver, and frankincense. And so I know that's a lot of oils. It's a few drops of each, and you can just make it in a 5 ml roller or double the recipe for 10 ml, and add a carrier oil to it. So fractionated coconut oil, jojoba oil, sesame oil, anything that you prefer. And so I just did mine, and I made my own little label, but I love it. So here's the blend breakdown. Arbor vitae helps you surrender and let go to the divine plan. So releasing that control, which is something I could definitely use some help with. Often when we become obsessive about the way things should be, it creates unnecessary hardship and stress. And I can definitely testify to that. And it's so true. So learning how to surrender and let go is just so freeing. Patchouli will help ground the spirit into the body. Chronic worriers are up to their heads and become disconnected with the body. Being grounded is an important aspect of living in the present. Clary sage provides a greater perspective to the events of your life. Rather than judging a circumstance as bad, instead you can look at it as necessary for growth. And if anything, clary sage will bring up feelings of gratitude for all circumstances that are part of your life journey. So again, changing and reframing that perspective is powerful. Geranium guides us to trust in the journey. Coriander brings out your true nature and encourages you to live with authenticity. Eucalyptus and rosemary aid in times of major life changes, so you can move into the changes gracefully. Siberian fir breaks down destructive patterns. Vetiver is the key oil for grounding and increasing focus. And frankincense nurtures the spirit, so you feel loved and protected. How amazing is that? I absolutely love the attributes of each oil in this blend, and understanding, how this combination can make this blend so powerful. So you can make this blend and then apply it to your wrist, over your heart, and the back of your neck. I highly recommend grabbing this book if you use essential oils and you're a big fan of using them for emotional health. This is an awesome, awesome book because there's just such an abundance of incredible blends in here. It's called I Am Fabulous, and it's by Desiree Mangendog. And so you can find it on Amazon. In fact, I'll include a link to it. And you can click on the link in my profile as well, and then click on my Amazon link, and it'll take you to my Amazon store. And in the books category, it's either in the books category or the essential oil category where you can find this book. And so, but I'll also try to include a direct link to it as well. But wonderful book to check out. Wonderful way to use your essential oils. It's definitely one of my most favorite ways to use oils is for emotional health and well-being, because they are super powerful in that regard. And so give this a try, and I hope you found this helpful for you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.